Imagine tiny, intelligent machines working inside your body. This microscopic future is closer than you might think. Imagine tiny, intelligent machines working inside your body. This microscopic future is closer than you might think. Today, we explore nanobots, the minuscule marvels of tomorrow. These molecular-scale robots promise revolutionary changes in medicine. They could transform how we detect, treat, and prevent diseases. The implications for human health and longevity are truly profound. Prepare to dive into the future of healthcare, driven by nanotech. These aren't science fiction devices. Research is rapidly progressing. Nanobots are robots measured in nanometers, 1/1000th of a meter. They are composed of materials like DNA, proteins, or synthetic polymers. Freitas began modern decades ago. His concepts, like respiricides, envisioned artificial blood cells. Freitas began modern decades ago. Researchers create DNA origami nanobots with precise functions. Their primary goal is navigating the human body with precision. One major application is highly targeted drug delivery systems. Nanobots can carry medication directly to cancerous cells. This avoids harming healthy tissues, reducing harsh side effects. For instance, researchers at Arizona State University developed such bots. They successfully targeted tumors in mice, cutting off blood supply. Another medical frontier involves microscopic surgical repair operations. Imagine bots repairing damaged cells or clearing arterial blockages. These tiny surgeons could operate on a cellular level with unprecedented accuracy. Beyond medicine, nanobots hold vast potential for environmental cleanup. They could break down microplastics in oceans or purify contaminated water. In industrial settings, nanobots might perform self-assembly tasks. They could build complex structures from the atomic level upwards. This manufacturing method, often called bottom-up, is incredibly efficient. However, significant challenges remain before widespread adoption occurs. Powering these minuscule machines inside the body is a complex hurdle. Ensuring their safe excretion after completing their mission is critical. Discussion: who controls these powerful devices, and how are they regulated? Discussion: the journey from lab to widespread clinical use spans many years. Despite challenges, the potential benefits are simply too immense to ignore. Nanobots offer a vision of personalized, ultra-precise medical care. They represent a future where diseases are managed at their root causes. The microscopic realm will soon profoundly impact our macroscopic world. The future of health is literally in these tiny, intelligent hands. This new era of microscopic innovation holds incredible promise. Nanobots will reshape medicine, making it far more effective and precise. Their development offers hope for countless previously untreatable conditions. The microscopic realm's future truly holds solutions to our biggest problems. The coming nanobot revolution is poised to change everything for humanity. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations into the microscopic world. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating frontiers of science. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations into the microscopic world.